The AI revolution is here. Welcome back to Zero Fat TV Think Different. Today, we're diving into a question you've probably been hearing a lot lately. Will robots take over your job? With artificial intelligence advancing at lightning speed, industries across the globe are experiencing massive shifts. From self-driving cars to automated customer service, AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's happening now. But what does this mean for you? Will your job become obsolete? Or is there a place for humans in an increasingly automated world? In this episode, we'll explore how AI is transforming industries, which jobs are at risk, and how you can prepare for the future of work. Let's think differently about the rise of AI.
How AI and automation are changing industries. AI and automation are revolutionizing industries in ways we never thought possible. In manufacturing, robots are streamlining production lines, delivering faster, more efficient results. In healthcare, AI-powered tools are assisting with diagnostics and even performing surgeries. And in retail, AI algorithms are driving personalized shopping experiences and inventory management. However, it's not just technical fields being transformed. Creative industries like art, music, and even content writing is seeing AI tools like DALL-E and ChatGPT playing significant roles. While this innovation unlocks new possibilities, it also raises concerns about the future of employment in these fields. Jobs most at risk. Is yours safe? So, which jobs are most vulnerable to automation? Roles that involve repetitive, predictable tasks are at the highest risk. This includes positions like data entry clerks, factory workers, telemarketers, and even some customer service roles. These jobs are often the first to be replaced by AI systems or robots because they are easier to automate. But it's not all doom and gloom. While some jobs are disappearing, AI is also creating new roles. Fields like AI programming, robotics engineering, and data science are booming. These are opportunities for those who can adapt and learn new skills to thrive in an AI-driven world. How humans can stay ahead. The rise of AI doesn't mean humans have no place in the workforce. It just means we need to adapt. Skills like creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and adaptability are harder for AI to replicate. These are the qualities that will make humans indispensable in the future of work. Additionally, lifelong learning is now more important than ever. Staying informed about the latest technologies, taking courses in AI or coding, and embracing change can help you future-proof your career. Instead of fearing AI, think of it as a tool you can use to enhance your productivity and potential. The future. Opportunities in an AI-driven world. The rise of AI doesn't have to mean the end of jobs. It could mean the start of a new era of opportunity. Many experts predict that AI will actually create more jobs than it eliminates, especially in emerging industries. For example, roles in AI ethics, machine learning, and AI strategy are expected to grow. Ultimately, the future of work will require humans and machines to collaborate. By staying curious, adaptable, and proactive, you can position yourself to succeed in this rapidly changing landscape. At Zero Fat TV, Think Different. We believe the power of progress lies in how we embrace it.
AI and automation are transforming industries across the globe, from healthcare to manufacturing and creative fields. While this shift raises concerns about job losses, many opportunities are emerging in AI-related roles and industries. Jobs involving repetitive tasks are most at risk, but humans can stay ahead by focusing on skills like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The future of work will require humans to adapt and collaborate with machines. By embracing lifelong learning and viewing AI as a tool rather than a threat, individuals can thrive in an AI-driven world. At Zero Fat TV, Think Different. We encourage you to think outside the box and prepare for the exciting opportunities ahead. Zero Fat TV. Think different. Thanks you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Be so good they can't ignore you, Rich Hamilton.